In this video, I'll show you the method I use to install fonts to use in Clip Studio Paint EX for iOS. You'll need two apps from the App Store to complete this process as it's shown here in the video. The first one is AnyFont and the second one is File Explorer. This is probably not the only way to achieve this, but it works well for my purposes and I thought I'd share. A big thanks to Celsius forum contributor Trey Comics who first suggested this method. The first thing you'll need, of course, are fonts, so choose any font website that you like. For demonstration purposes, I'm going to use the font called Peeps by Fontalicious. You want to click on the download button. That's going to bring up your zip file and open in File Explorer. Once you click that, it's going to open it up in File Explorer for you to save. I saved it to my local downloads folder. You can select where you want to save it. And then once it's finished downloading, what I'm going to do is go back into my downloads folder and look for that zip file. It's going to be peeps.zip. I've got quite a few in here. There it is. You're going to click on that and select the unarchive option. And then once it's unarchived and expanded, look for the folder Peeps. There it is, third from the top. And click on the file, the TTF file, and select Open In. Ignore that it says an error. In that list of apps that pops up, you want to click Copy to AnyFont. AnyFont will open. And once AnyFont loads that file, you want to go ahead and click on the file that you want to install. I've got quite a few in here. There's Peeps right there. So I'm going to click on Peeps, and then the preview for the installation comes up. You can click on that right hand preview button. It shows you what the text would look like. You can actually use your own preview text by clicking on the icon to the left. I left the words preview text there. Once you're done previewing the text, you can hit close and then select the icon in the middle to start the installation. You're going to get this website is trying to open settings to show you configuration profile. Do you want to allow this? Select allow. And then install. If you have a password, you'll want to put your password in. And then next, install profile, and then you're done. It will prompt you to go back to AnyFont if you have more fonts to install. Now I do want to show you really quickly in the settings, these are the different fonts that I have installed, TTFs and OFTs. They'll show you the profiles for each one and that it is a font. Now what I'm going to do is to go into Clip Studio Paint EX for iOS and show you the font that we just installed, Peeps, in actual usage. Now you'll see the tool property for fonts, that is the little A icon in the menu there, and right now I'm just scrolling through the other different fonts that I have downloaded previously. You can actually categorize them. Right now I'm under the ones that I labeled installed. There's all fonts, which is where we're going to find Peeps in a couple seconds here, and I have one especially for dialogue as well. Now I'm scrolling down in the list where when I get to the P's, and it should be in alphabetical order, you'll see Peeps there. There it is. So I'm going to select that as my font. And then I'm going to open a new file, just a blank page, so that we can type and show you that the font is correctly installed. One thing to note is that if you have Clip Studio Paint EX open while you're installing these fonts, you do want to completely close out of that and restart the app, otherwise you will not see the fonts. And there you go, the Peeps font is installed. Well, I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.